Good morning, students. I am Kavitha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukottai. Today we are going to see about the topic percentage. Percentage is one of the simplest ways of quantifying things and presenting comparative ratios. You will need to know how to calculate percentages as it is a concept used in almost every field where quantification is involved. Let me first define what percentage means and then explain a simple formula for calculating percentages. In this diagram, we have 100 boxes. Only 15 boxes are in green color. Simply, but a percentage value is a fraction multiplied by 100, a portion of the whole and a part. A way of representing a fraction with the denominator of 100. So, 15 by 100, that is equal to 0.15. Then how to calculate percentages? Let us say I have a basket of fruits. Out of a total of 20 fruits, we have 5 are apples, 10 are oranges and 5 are pineapples. Then the percentage of all 3 fruits in the basket is calculated in the following ways. First, we determine the part and the whole. Here, the whole is the first fruit basket containing 20 fruits and the parts are 5 apples, 10 oranges and 5 pineapples. Secondly, you must determine the fraction of fruits in basket that are apples, oranges and pineapples. That is, you must have established the fractions. Here the fractions are number 1, fraction of the first fruit apples in basket. That is equal to 5 by 20. That is, we have to simplify it. Then we get 1 by 4. Second one is fraction of oranges in basket. That is 10 by 20. We have to simplify it, then we get 1 by 2. Third one is fraction of pineapples in basket. That is equal to 5 by 20. We have to simplify it, then we get 1 by 2. So, one can now say that 1/4 of the fruits are apples, half are oranges, and another 1/4 are pineapples. Once the fraction has been established, calculating percentages is extremely simple. The percentage of apples in the basket is calculated using the formula percentage equal to part divided by whole into 100. First one, percentage of the fruit apple equal to 5 by 20 into 100. We have to simplify it, then we get 25 percentage. Second one is percentage of oranges. That is equal to 10 by 20 into 100. We have to simplify it, then we get 50 percentage. Third one is percentage of pineapples. That is equal to 5 by 20 into 100. We have to simplify it, then we get 25 percentages. Then how to calculate with percents? Number 1, given the whole and the percent, find the part. Number 2, given the whole and the part, find the percent. Number 3, given the percent and the part, find the whole. Percent, when the whole and percent are given, the part can be found by multiply the percent by the whole. The formula is percent into whole. Then second one is percent. The percent must be put into decimal form prior to being multiplied. That can be done by dividing the percent by 100. That is percent divided by 100, that is equal to decimal. Now we are going to see an example finding a fraction of a quantity. First one is find 4 by 5 of 20. Here 4 by 5 of means multiplication symbol, that is into 20. We have to simplify it. 5, 20 cancel, then we get 16. Find 1 by 5 of 20. That is 1 by 5 divided by 20. 20 divided by 5, that is equal to, cancel. We have to cancel it, then we get 44. Using this method to find percentages of a quantity, example 1, find 12% of 200. Then 12% means 12 by 100, of means multiplication symbol into 200. We have to cancel 100 and 200, then we get the answer 24. Example 2, find 40% of 270. 40%, that is 40 divided by 100 into 270. We have to cancel, then we get 108. Third example, find 35% of 14. 35 divided by 100 into 14. We have to cancel it, then we get 4.9. Next one is percentage, fraction, decimal. 30%. In terms of fraction, we have to define it 3 by 10. Then in decimal 0.3. To go from a fraction to a percentage, we can convert to a decimal first. That is 3 by 5 goes to 0.6, then 60%. Then decimal to percentage. Convert 0.25 to percentage. First, multiply with 100. So, move the decimal point to 2 places to the right side. Then annex a 0 right after the decimal point. Then put a percentage after the final result. Remove the extra 0 if no digit follows it. Then the topic is percent to decimal. Convert 3.25% to decimal. First step is remove the percentage, that is divide by 100. Then move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Then we get the answer 0.0325. Thank you, students.